All right, Ahmad, do you work or study?
Well, I'm nowadays I'm studying, and I recently passed out from my college, and now I am applying for in foreign country for my further studies.
All right, I'm going to talk to you about your family. Do you have a large or a small family?
Well, I think I have a small family. Uh, uh, it's 6 persons.
There are six
There
persons
are
in my
six
family.
persons, to my mom and dad, and three brothers
All
and
right.
one sister.
Okay, be confident. आपने घबराना नहीं है. Okay. All right. Who are you most similar to in your family?
Similar. Well, I am similar to my dad because of my habits and other things. Uh, and
Okay, this answer is not a complete answer. You need to speak 5 to 6 sentences. Do you prefer to go out with family or friends?
Well, honestly, I prefer to go out with friends because I am open to them. We share a lot of uh, information between them and a lot of secrets,
I
as you know.
understand that, huh? Secrets and information. Okay. All right. When did you last celebrate a special event with your family?
Well, it was my birthday, which was recently passed, and we celebrated in a hotel, in a restaurant, where we enjoy food and have a little talk.
Okay, that's good. So you need to give full answer, focus your grammar in part one, and try to answer in 5 to 6 sentences and connect your ideas together.
Okay.
For part two, your topic is describe someone in your family who you really admire. Now you can talk about your father, mother, and reasons why you admire and all that. So describe someone in your family you really admire. Please, you can start. You don't need time. Come on, speak.
These
No, I'm just
questions.
telling you the topic. Describe. Listen, in actual exam, it's not necessary to speak on those bullet points. So pick up the main topic and speak on it. And the main topic is describe someone in your family who you really admire. Start.
Well, I usually admire my father because he's very honor to me,
Honorable to me.
honorable to me, and he is the person I want to be in the I want to become in the future because he was very um, hardworking, and he had a lot of up and downs in life, but he worked hard and hard until he
Succeeded.
succeeded and had a lot of name in business, and he worked very hard in business and with family, and
Little more.
little more.
Okay, now listen, seriously, you need to focus your fluency, right? And come up with a variety of ideas. It's not only in part two that I didn't give you the topic. I mean, it's just like overall speaking. Now, let's move on. In what ways have families in your country changed in the last 20 years?
Well, in the last 20 years, as you know that we are very we come became very modern. So I think family also became modern, and their children became very free, and they don't listen to their
Okay, all right.
parents.
Should husbands and wives have different roles within the family?
Yes, they have different roles in the family. Well, as you know that husband need to be good with their children like sons, and a wife must be good with their daughters because same gender, they can share secret with the same gender.
All right, it's good. In part three, you are lacking content. You need to come up with more ideas. And overall, it's just you need to come out of that as well,
Okay.
right? This is important. So, looking at all that, I'll give you 5.5 for now. In order to improve, you need to focus fluency, ideas, and grammar.
Okay.
Right? Thank you.